In today's video, I'll show you on how you can merge and group shapes together in Tinkercad. So I want to develop or simply create a thread on my Tinkercad right here. It's going to be something similar to this one. Now to do this, the first thing that you want to do is to import your shape into Tinkercad, and from here you then want to customize this before you then go ahead and merge your shapes. Right after, I'm going to import a simple shape that's going to be a cylinder, and then I'll reduce the size of this shape right here. And right after, I'm going to align this at the top of my thread. Now to simply go ahead and merge both shapes together, you then want to highlight both of your shapes that you want to group or merge. And from here, we have a button called the Union Group. You can also press Ctrl G on your keyboard to simply group them together. And as you can see, with that click of a button, or with a single click of a button, we have managed to merge or group our shapes together. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guys or everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.